This is a pop-up tent for camping, as well as a portable cabana too. Perfect for the beach and while you're camping to provide shade. And this is by Abco. Let's open it up and check it out. This is suitable for 2 people. And I like that it has this carrying bag too. This is also weather resistant as well as water resistant as well. Check out how easy it is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ta-da! How easy was that? So this is made out of mesh as well as polyester too. And it measures 88 inches by 47 inches by 37 inches. And it also has 50+ UV protection. This tent set up so effortlessly and easily with a blink of an eye. And come check it out. It has 2 doors on either side. And it also has 2 meshes on either side as well. Perfect for when you just want some extra ventilation, but that you still want to see outside. It also has a mesh window on either side as well. And you can roll it up too. It also has a zipper inside as well as outdoors too. And it's even large enough for 2 people. This whole tent is so lightweight. It weighs under 4 pounds. And it also comes with this accessory bag filled with stakes and ropes too. I received this from Abco to evaluate and to give my opinion, and I just love it. And I think you will too. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.